So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first, you want to expand history classes root. And now we're going to expand directory. We're going to scroll down until we find directory. Here it is. You want to expand directory. And now you want to expand background. Now you want to expand shell X. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand context menu handlers. After you expand context menu handlers, you should now be seeing all these folders right here. You want to delete every folder under context menu handlers apart from new and work folders. So I'm going to delete FileSync X. I'm going to right click on it, delete, yes. I'm also going to delete sharing. Right click on it, delete, yes. The only folders you want to keep is just new and work folders. Delete everything else. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.